Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I am going to rearrange my kitchen and my dining room area. I don't know about you guys, but I constantly changing my kitchen around, my dining room area and my living room. And let's not mention my front porch. I know you guys have seen this. So guys, I get a lot of ideas. I'm actually here at JCPenney's, by the way. If you see the little white and red signs, you can figure that one out. Listen, I love going into the kitchen kitchen items. I love getting ideas. Sometimes I'll pick up some things that I might need, but I try not to. I am a fan of wine glasses, beautiful dishes. I love a lot of placemats and cutting boards, which I know I don't need any more. But I just like to see if I see something different. I get ideas. And you know what? This trip here to JCPenney's actually motivated me to change my kitchen around. And when I say change my kitchen around, it's not that I'm moving any furniture around, but I'm going to declutter my cabinets. And I'm quite sure I have dishes that I don't use. I'm going to take those to the Goodwill and probably just make some space to add some more stuff to my kitchenware. So come with me. Let's keep looking around, getting more ideas. And I'm going to show you guys how I declutter my kitchen and reorganize my dining room area. So let me show you guys what I have here. Guys, it's about 9 o'clock at night. The girls are in the rooms. Hector is watching a movie in the room as well. So I have the kitchen and dining room and living room area all for myself. I'm going to play some music, guys, and I am going to do what makes me happy. And yes, guys, this makes me happy. Love rearranging things around my kitchen, anywhere in the house. There's really no particular place, guys. This is therapy for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some wine as well. And I'm going to rearrange this and show you guys how beautiful all this came out. So this is the dining area. I'm going to add some pieces that I actually have around that house that I think will work better. just to organize all my wine glasses and all other glasses I have as well. Guys, I don't just have wine glasses. I have other glasses too, okay? Don't judge. I want to declutter these drawers. As you can see, I have all these things in there. I have candles, I have tea lights. So I need to find some baskets or something to just organize this nicer. Again, I'm gonna move this piece of furniture. I think I'm gonna put this to the entrance and use what I have in the entrance here. You guys are going to see. This is the best part, that I don't have to go buy no expensive pieces. I can actually use what I have home. So this is what we have. I have decluttered all these cabinets. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all these plastic cups. You know, I do this all the time. And, you know, we go out to dinner and the girls always bring back some sort of plastic cup from a restaurant. So you know what? I don't like plastic cups. Don't take me wrong, guys. Just don't go with my decorations or what I have here in my kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys how I rearrange the kitchen and the dining room area. Now guys, let me show you how beautiful this came out. I was actually working till a little after midnight last night, but I was able to accomplish what I wanted to. I was able to declutter the kitchen and I was able to reorganize my dining area. I moved some furniture around that's gonna work great in the dining room area. I also have a box full of dishes that I am going to give to the Goodwill. So I was able to declutter. It is Sunday evening, guys. It's a beautiful day here in South Florida. It has been raining, so that is awesome. It's not hot. So I truly enjoy these rainy days because it's nice and cool. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, guys, so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, enjoy. Bye-bye.